PLC service.
Hi, Yogesh here. So this will be our third course which we have just published in Udemy. This course will be S7-1200 PLC with WinCC flexible using factory I/O. It will be complete basic to intermediate and a little bit of advanced using factory I/O. Okay. Before we talk about this course, I will just talk about what we do, what my company do, because I am the manager and manager editor and a training organizer as well. So my company is AS Automation System Training Center PLC. We are registered under HRD Corp Malaysia, under Human Resources, and we provide training under government sponsor, personal sponsor, which is one-to-one, and include company sponsor as well. So we offer specialized training course which can be tailor-made under customers' requirement. Our qualified trainers, which currently I have two, Mr. Tivian and Mr. Surasan, have a professional experience and know how to apply theoretical knowledge in this particular practice. So we not only provide a Siemens course, we also provide a different type of PLC course for Iron Batteries, Omron, Mitsubishi, Keyence, GE Fanuc, and some backup PLC as well. So, and for Siemens, we provide for S7-1200 and S7-1200, which once we have done this course for S7-1200, we will continue provide the videos for different type of PLC softwares. The total video content of this course has been uploaded more than 10 hours plus. So in this course, there will be three trainers. First will be myself. I will be providing the introductions and the rest of the basic PLC information that needed for this course. And in the second part of the course, there will be Mr. Tivian and Mr. Surasan will be providing the core basic of this training, which is more on ladder logic. We'll be using ladder logic programming. And after that, we will be start using WinCC flexible and factory I/O software to integrate with this S7-1200, which will be using TIA portal. We will be using version 15.1, and once we integrate, we will provide you the complete training in basic to intermediate. But in this course, this course is basically for technicians and engineers who have little or no Siemens S7-1200 and application experience. Programming theory is kept to a minimum. The course is hands-on with great emphasis on the practical aspect of Programmable Logic Controller application. So in this program, we will be using TIA portal version 15 software and may be customized to include function relevant to the particular control application. So please bear in mind that only students who register under Mr. Surasan personal promo code will be given the full version software related to this course. Our created copy of notes, complete copy of the course video, and complete copy of the project including factory I/O projects, and our free forever consultation. Because once you finish this course, once you enroll and finish this course completely, you will receive a certificate which will be under Udemy completion of certificate, not from us directly. No, this will be under Udemy certificate. So we will be providing you all the material and the soft copy of the manual needed for your own practice. Okay, so the promo code which will include TIA portal, WinCC, PLCC, factory I/O software, and pre-made course note by us. Okay, so other than that, upon completion of this course, the student will be able to construct, test, and run PLC program using instructions, utilize basic and intermediate level in troubleshooting and debugging tools online, download, upload, and save and copy program which will be included in the video tutorial as well. Fully document a PLC program, experience in hands-on and use multiple PLC in a project in a basic and intermediate level, using WinCC flexible version 15 and one time, able to simulate software using factory I/O, OPC and cloud configuration, Siemens web server basic, configuration of hardware and HMI, and finally backup and restore. So if you want to know more about us, you can visit our main website, which will be in the description in this course. And all I can say is, if you are enrolling this course, thank you for supporting us, and we will put our motivation more on providing better course and better content.